that is the Vertical Online Training Course. The Vertical, nope. The Vertical Concrete, the online, First, let's talk about today's sponsor, thehiddenhomesteadstore.com. At thehiddenhomesteadstore.com, we sell beard oil. Now, what makes this beard oil different than other beard oils? Well, if you look at the ingredient list of many beard oils that are out there that you can find, basically it's synthetic motor oil that you're putting on your face. If that's your thing, that's cool. I don't like that. I don't like an byproduct going on to my face to moisturize the things that needs moisturized. I prefer all natural ingredients, and that is what I put in my beard oil right here from thehiddenhomesteadstore.com. So we've got 3 different fragrances and 1 unscented called Neat.
How neat is that?
The 3 different fragrances are Sweet Bourbon, Deep Woods, and Old Reliable. Now, if you're trying to decide which one you might want, some females has dubbed Old Reliable the panty dropper. I just do with that information what you will. Anyway, if you're interested in getting yourself a bottle of all natural beard oil, check it out at thehiddenhomesteadstore.com. And if you use discount code HiddenHomestead, you'll receive 10% off of your order. Thank you, thehiddenhomesteadstore.com, for sponsoring today's video. Now, back to the show. All right, guys, about a year ago, I put this video out right here, just telling you about all of my issues, like every single one of them, but primarily the issues that we're dealing with my lower back and my neck. In that video, I told you about 2 projects that I was working on or had been working on, and basically stay tuned for those. The first one has taken me about 2.5 years to get it to where it's at, and that is the vertical concrete training course that I have set up for online. There is a lot. There is a ton of stuff that goes into creating and making a course, a training course online, way more than what I really thought. I just jumped into it, thought I can do this, and I can, come to find out, but it took a while. I basically had to write a script to make sure that I was getting all the information out there and not sounding like I was rambling on like a buffoon. So that took some time. And then of course I had to shoot the video, edit the video, make sure it flowed, make sure it went through, blah, blah, blah. So it took about 2.5 years to get that set ready to go. And it pretty much is set ready to go. Now you might have seen I've been putting out a few little shorts, and I did another video on a pre-launch sale for that training course. Now the reason for the pre-launch sale is because, like I said, it is ready to go, but it could use a little finesse. So basically for the customer right now, for this pre-launch sale, they're getting 50% off of the entire course. Now with that 50% off, basically all I ask is for your honest feedback. This flows okay, this was hard to understand, whatever critique, whatever issue you might have with it, that's all I'm asking for, just so I can get the finer details. Now, I've already got quite a bit of feedback, and I'm making those changes now, so this course technically is so close to launch. I just want a few more people, so with different perspectives, different backgrounds, just to make sure that everything is set, ready to go. So, that's all I got for you guys. I think that's it. Like, share, comment, subscribe, all those cool things. Peace out. I love you guys. Take care.